Alright, so actually, I'm gonna have to turn you guys this way so I can take this apart. This little. It's got a. Oh, I think I found it. Did I? There you go. Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys what I'm doing right now. I'm taking apart this TV because there's a movie stuck in it. And, yeah. That's how this is going right now. Did that just fall out? Wow, that was a fast take. Oh, okay, it's already starting to cook. Whoa, that looks sick. That looks sick as hell in there. Ready? Boom! It won't come out. It won't come off. It won't come. Is there another screw? Shouldn't be. Ugh, come on. There shouldn't be another screw in here. So I'm gonna give you guys a little. Is there another? I think those are screws as well. No, they're not. Then what is holding this thing together still? Do you guys hear that? What is this? Okay. I think I can pop it off. Oh, I think it's taped. That could be why. How could tape be that strong, though? All I need is a movie. Just let me in. God. Alright, this is gonna partially fall on you guys for a sec. Yeah. Alright. Oh, God. Falling into Renzo. The Renzo. Whoa. Hey, now. Oh, God. Hey, now. You're a rock star. So, wrong way. So that's what it looks like in there right now. Back doesn't want to come off though, which is unfortunate. Alright. I think I know why. See, this is what happens. Mother. Alright, I can't unscrew that. So, yeah. Doesn't look like I'll be able to get the things out of here. Fucking get your ass back here. Oh shit. I keep hearing that. Obviously I don't have the TV on. So, this is what's going on with this right now. So, yeah. You guys hear that? Did we hit the front door? No. Socks stink as hell.
Rescue on this guy. There we go. Come on, send me to the ambulance outside.
I can't do it.
That's the 8th guy. I think we did it.
I texted Brian. He hasn't responded.
Well.
So,
I mean, I'm pretty excited about that. How about you guys?
I unscrewed.
We'll let the crime scene unit take care of.
What if he's like, we're in the middle of
bodies
dinner?
that were left over.
So,
Right, all as well.
Doesn't hurt.
The wells, look at that.
Pretty hectic in there.
what the hell am I supposed to say to him?
Operation report soon. Last time I didn't show this, and I will show it this time.
What if he asked me to bring it over?
I didn't know that was
Telling
going to
you
pop
can,
up right
it's
away.
inside
I thought it was
your
like a
TV and you can
make believe thing.
take
But there's
the TV
actually an
over there.
operations report they give you. Pretty cool.
My job, sir.
Just doing my job, sir.
This is my brother. I think he has
Alright, what we
his
got?
tonsils hurt, so he may have to go to the ER tomorrow. And I wish I was there with him because I could tape all this stuff. But that's it for now, guys. Yeah, but I've already unscrewed all the bolts, and I'm not re-screwing them in.
How amazing is that? Thank you, man, for coming out and helping out. We really do appreciate it.
Alright, guys, that's where I'm going to end this. Bye.